Think about this. You've got just one pair of shoes, but suddenly you're the boss of a huge company. Sounds wild, huh? Trust me, it's not as nuts as it sounds. That's what being successful really means. It's not a made-up story for movies. It's a real-life story for lots of people. The from poor to rich tale isn't just a bedtime story. It shows how tough and determined we can be. Many of the people who've done really well in life didn't start out with any advantages. They with nothing more than a big dream and a strong will to make it happen. They ran into loads of problems and hit a bunch of roadblocks, but they didn't quit. They pushing until they reached their goals. So always, it's not about where you start. It's all about how hard you're ready to work. Andrew Carnegie, a very rich man, was once a destitute factory worker. Born into a poor Scottish family, he moved to America with dreams of a prosperous life. As a child, he labored in a cotton factory, making only a small wage. However, his love for learning never waned. He spent numerous hours learning and acquiring knowledge, which became a vital part of his success. Making strategic decisions based on his intellect, he invested his meager earnings in the up-and-coming steel industry. His diligence and determination bore fruit as he climbed the corporate ladder, becoming a steel magnate and accumulating an overwhelming fortune. He has left an indelible impression on the American industry, but his real legacy is his substantial philanthropy and the numerous libraries he funded. Carnegie's journey exemplifies that your origin doesn't define you. Rather, it's your destination that truly counts. Oprah Winfrey, the Queen of TV, was born poor and had a tough early life. She was raised in the rural areas of Mississippi, which seemed to limit her opportunities. Yet Oprah didn't allow her difficult times to hinder her growth. Quite the contrary, she had a fondness for books which served as her window to a world of immense opportunities. These books not only offered her comfort, but also ignited her imagination and fueled her far-reaching dreams. Despite the hardships and numerous obstacles that stood in her way, Oprah was tenacious and never wavered in her resolve. She transitioned from being a small-town radio host to an internationally recognized talk show host, producer and philanthropist, never letting the tough times deter her. Oprah's story is a testament to the power of resilience. It shows us that being strong can turn tough times into success. Elon Musk, the man behind SpaceX and Tesla, was once a struggling businessman. Picture a man enduring financial difficulties. His early business is failing, but Elon Musk for you. He stayed persistent, never throwing in the towel. His faith in his ideas was unwavering, and he dared to take significant risks. In spite of the initial failures, Musk remained steadfast and resolute, which eventually resulted in the success of SpaceX and Tesla. His tireless work and perseverance made him a tech icon and one of the world's wealthiest individuals. Musk's journey is a testament to the fact that fresh ideas and belief in oneself can alter one's life course. These stories are not fairy tales. They are real stories of people just like you and me. They are proof that no dream is too big, no goal too high if you're brave enough to chase it. They were once ordinary people, but their extraordinary efforts transformed their lives. They in themselves worked tirelessly and never gave up on their dreams. So what's stopping you? You have the same opportunities, the same potential to reach heights. You have dreams that are waiting to be realized. What need is bravery to take the leap, the commitment to keep pushing, and the spirit to rise from failures. We all have a unique story waiting to unfold, a unique path to embark on. Your success story is waiting to be told. It's waiting for you to embrace the challenge, to leave your mark. Remember, you are one decision away from a completely different life. Now it's your turn to create your success story.